Are you tired of grinding for hours, working on tasks that AI can now do in seconds? What if I told you that right now, AI is creating a new wave of millionaires, and you could be next? From automated content creation to AI-driven side hustles, these 10 AI tools can help you generate passive income, scale your business, and make money effortlessly. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to start earning in 2025. Welcome to Future Tech Hack, the channel where we explore the latest AI tools and automation hacks that can boost your productivity and income. In today's video, I'll show you 10 powerful AI tools that are not only trending, but are already helping people make serious money. Whether you're a freelancer, content creator, entrepreneur, or someone looking for passive income streams, this video is for you. Tool 1. ChatGPT, AI-powered writing and freelancing. First on our list is ChatGPT, an AI powerhouse that can generate high-quality text in seconds. Businesses are paying top dollar for blog posts, ad copies, and scripts. And guess what? You don't have to write a single word yourself. Here's how you can make money with ChatGPT. 1. Offer AI writing services on Fiverr or Upwork. 2. Start a blog with AI-generated articles and monetize with ads. 3. Sell ebooks or courses written by ChatGPT. Tool number 2. Pictory, AI video creation for YouTube and social media. Next up is Pictory, an AI video generator that turns text into stunning videos. If you've ever wanted to start a faceless YouTube channel, this tool can help you create professional content in minutes. Here's how you can monetize it. 1. Create YouTube Shorts and TikTok videos for businesses. 2. Start a faceless YouTube channel and earn ad revenue. 3. Sell AI-generated video content to marketers and brands. Tool 3. Jasper AI, high-paying copywriting jobs. Jasper AI is another powerful AI writing tool that specializes in high-converting sales copy. If you want to make money as a copywriter, this is your shortcut. You can 1. Offer ad copywriting services to businesses. 2. Sell AI-generated email sequences for e-commerce brands. 3. Create and sell social media captions to influencers. Tool 4. MidJourney, AI art and NFT creation. Want to make money selling digital art? MidJourney is an AI tool that can generate stunning high-quality images. Here's how you can monetize it. 1. Sell AI art on Etsy, Redbubble, or print-on-demand sites. 2. Create and sell NFTs on OpenSea. 3. Offer custom AI-generated artwork as a freelance service. Tool 5. ElevenLabs AI Voiceover for YouTube and audiobooks. Ever thought of making money with your voice? Now, you don't even need to record it yourself. ElevenLabs generates ultra-realistic AI voice overs that you can use to 1. Start a faceless YouTube channel. 2. Sell voiceovers for audiobooks and podcasts. 3. Offer AI voiceover services on Fiverr. Tool 6. Synthesia, AI video avatars for businesses. With Synthesia, you can create AI-generated talking avatars for businesses and brands. This is a goldmine for marketers who need video content without hiring actors. Make money by 1. Selling avatar explainer videos to companies. 2. Creating AI-powered training videos. 3. Starting a video marketing business with AI. Tool 7. Runway ML, AI video editing and VFS. Runway ML is an advanced AI video editing tool that lets you create Hollywood-style effects without expensive software. Make money by why? 1. Editing videos for YouTubers and social media influencers. 2. Creating AI-powered short films. 3. Selling AI-edited reels and TikToks to businesses. Tool 8. DALL A3. AI image generation for businesses. DALL E3 can generate custom images in seconds, which you can monetize by 1. Selling AI generated logos and graphics. 2. Creating book covers and album art. 3. Free offering AI art services to content creators. Tool 9. Notion AI productivity and business automation. Notion AI is perfect for entrepreneurs looking to automate workflows and content creation. Here's how you can make money. 1. Sell AI-generated productivity templates. 2. Offer business automation consulting. 3. Monetize Notion AI training courses. Tool 10. Canva AI graphic design for social media. Last but not least, Canva AI makes designing social media posts, thumbnails, and marketing materials easy. You can make money by 1. Offering AI-generated social media graphics to clients. 2. Selling pre-made Canva templates. 3. Starting a print-on-demand business with AI designs. And there you have it. 10 powerful AI tools that can help you make money in 2025. Which tool are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video valuable, smash like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future AI money-making tips. See you in the next video.